So I wanted to try this quick. Dog had to go potty. Let him finish first. An airplane coming. I don't know if you can hear the airplane. Look at this, he really had to go. Man, and he walks off while he still has to go. Hi there. Oh, hey, little boy. So the boy is now 5 months old. And he is ready to go to training again. There's both of them. And I wanted to try this with my camera here. Let me put my camera up here on my grill here. So let's see what I see here. If this is a good view. I'm going to adjust it a little bit. There we go. Okay. Now I'm going to do a quick recording with the iPhone here. 24 frames a second. So we have a Rode microphone. A Rode Wireless Go, it's called, on there. It's going in the MediaMod. That's where it is. So this is how it looks like from the front. There. Look at that. And then here I have a microphone there and one there. So this should be stereo microphone, right? Okay. So I have one more thing I want to say. So when you have headphones on, you could probably hear that it's stereo, that I'm talking either out of this microphone number 2 or microphone number 1. Microphone number 1 is most likely left, and microphone 2 is most likely right, but then, I don't know, you may hear it on the left or right, because I'm now looking towards you. The other day I saw a video of the fish. The fish did something. Let me turn my screen on again. I have a screensaver on there, so I don't see where I'm at here in this video. So the fish had this thing that he said that an iPhone is no good for him for having a fast camera, so he's pushing too many buttons to get to the camera, really. And I just wanted to show you that that is not true. So if you have an iPhone here and you want to record, you just have to push on the screen once there onto the camera button, and then you can immediately record. And if you push this button up here, it doesn't go to Siri, it turns off. That's how that goes. Alright, so if I'm looking away from the camera and I look over to the left, then the audio probably comes from the left channel. If I look to the right, it comes from the right channel. So let's see what I have here to offer. I don't know. So I was hoping that the audio quality is better now when I go into the stereo mode. Last time, as I did my dog training video, I did use only one microphone, and therefore it was a mono recording. So this time now it's going to be stereo. I just don't train anything, so I have to say, look, do you see that dog is peeing again? He was holding it for a long time, I guess. What do we have here? Oh, somebody pooped there, so I have to pick that up. Now the big one is pooping, and he has his nose in there to see how it comes out. So he can't let her poop. No! Don't lick it. There's more poop spots there. So this is the bad part about having a dog. You always have to go there to pick up the poop. And if those dogs go nuts and they run around hard and you didn't pick it up, they step in it. So now I better take him with. No, I take him with me to pick the shovel. Look at this. Somebody had the diarrhea shit. Oh my god. Who was that? Oh my god. Come on, guys. Let's go away from the pooping section. Let's go to the play section there where there's no grass, just mud. Because you rip up everything. Man. Yeah, this is this guy here. He's digging in here. There. There he is digging holes and ripping the fabric out. The anti-weed thing. If he smells so much on that spot, it's probably poop. Yeah, looks like coyote. Hey, this way. Come on. So now I have to get a shovel, and then I have to fix things. Picking up poop, that's the thing you do the most with those dogs. They're just too big. Big dog poops a lot. Okay. So let's stop the camera from recording and see how this goes. There we have part 2 of the whole situation, where I am trying to find out if I do have stereo or not. Do we have 2 channels? The big dog is wiping the floor again with a little thing, and it's trying to remove a leg. Just hit the head on the big fence, and they're going to kill that. Oh, I got it. It's faster. Because it's faster. It's ready to take it out. We're getting more serious in there. Fighting harder and faster. But the little one is still not the same speed as the big one. We'll see if I can call the big one off when this happens. Lucy, come. Come. Here. Lucy, come. But she's not coming here. She's finishing her fight first. Come here. Come. No. No. You're not listening. Lucy, come. Lucy, come here. So the last thing I need from you guys is to mess up my fence, okay? Do not slam your body into the fence. I don't like it. Right? I do not like it. Here, you made the big dog thirsty, the little dog. Look at this, it's eating again. I should make a video how he drinks. It's horrible. He doesn't know how to drink. Here, let's see this. Yeah? And you see how the water is running out of his... This is like leaking out crazy. He's already exhausted enough. Look at this, he's limping. Man, he's done. He's done for today. You did him too much. Let's see how this poor puppy is doing now. Look at that. It was worn out by the big dog. Leave him. I think she taught him the lesson of his life. Don't attack me again. Oh no, he forgot. He basically forgot the lesson she just taught him. Oh, he's thinking about it again, and then he's going for it. Oh, now attack right to his throat. I'm trying to... Oh, look at this, it's pulling on the fur so hard. Oh. Now he gets his head bitten off again. That enough? So I want you guys back inside, and the big in here, Echo has to go in his crate. Echo, are you ready to go to your crate? Yes? Let's go. Come on, let's go crate. You're a good boy. You had enough for today, right? You need a break. Is that where your crate is? No. Where's your crate? Your crate is in here.